preparations for a second wave of coronavirus infections in Germany, even as the country eases its lockdown. While in Italy, the Russian military releases pictures of its personnel disinfecting hospitals. This pandemic has reached into nearly every corner of the world, and governments have warned we're just at the beginning of this unprecedented crisis. Some experts say the only way back to normality might be a vaccine. To that end, in a virtual launch, the UN is joining forces with world leaders and the private sector to speed up development of a vaccine and raise billions of dollars to make it accessible to all.
We will only overcome this virus if we join our powers together and build a powerful alliance. Health officials have already done this, and Germany is prepared to support this politically with all our efforts.
We have also developed diagnostics that are being used all over the world. And we're coordinating a global trial on the safety and efficacy of 4 therapeutics against COVID-19. The world needs these tools, and it needs them fast.
There were, though, notable absences. The United States, even as it battles the highest infection rates in the world, will not take part. President Donald Trump has been highly critical of the World Health Organization and has already suspended funding. China, too, where the pandemic began, was missing from the launch.
I hope that we will manage to bring people together with this joint initiative, if I may say so, China and the United States of America, because the fight against COVID-19 is in the common interest of humanity, and we cannot be divided if we want to win this battle.
Even as vaccine trials get underway, one COVID-19 treatment study has had a result of sorts. A Chinese trial of remdesivir has reportedly failed, but the company behind the drug has disputed the findings, saying the results were inconclusive. It's one example of how much work is to be done, and whether a global initiative of this scale could work at a time when global cooperation has been on the decline. Reged Ahmad, BBC News.